Are you ready to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business and rake in profits? You're in the right spot. Today, we'll break it down step by step, making it simple and easy to understand. So, let's get started. First up, you need to pick a niche. This is the specific market or topic you'll focus on. Think about what interests you. Is it travel, health, or tech gadgets? Choose something you're passionate about. This makes it easier to talk about and sell products. Next, you'll want to find products to promote. Go for high-ticket items that pay you a bigger commission. Look for affiliate programs that match your chosen niche. You can find these by searching online for niche-specific affiliate programs. Join the ones that look good and offer great payout. Once you've got your niche and products, it's time to create a website or a landing page. This is where you'll showcase the products you promote. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard. Many online tools can help you set this up easily. You'll also want to create great content that attracts potential customers. This could be reviews, tutorials, or guides related to the products you promote. Use simple language and be genuine. It's all about connecting with your audience and offering real value. Speaking of connecting, building an email list is super important. Offer something for free like an ebook or a guide in exchange for people's email addresses. Then you can stay in touch and share new products, sales, or tips. If you have any questions about anything in this video, make sure to leave a comment. Networking is another key part of affiliate marketing. Join online forums or groups related to your niche. Share your knowledge and learn from others. This can lead to more opportunities to promote products and grow your business. Remember, patience is key. Results may not come overnight, but with dedication, you'll see progress. Keep testing different strategies, learn from your mistakes, and never give up. To grow your savings and increase your earnings, consistency is crucial. Keep at it and stay committed. And there you have it. To learn more about high-ticket affiliate marketing and claim your free membership, be sure to check out the link to my free PDF report in the description below.